Within each person lies an immense reserve of energy, waiting patiently to be recognized and harnessed to shape our reality according to our desires. This energy is not just a passive force, it is the very essence that can be guided, shaped, and utilized purposefully. The real challenge we face is how to effectively harness this inner power to create positive change in our lives. In this video, you'll discover practical steps to begin controlling your vital energy, inspired by ancient teachings and occult wisdom, including principles from Hermeticism and traditional energy disciplines such as Qigong. Prepare to tap into your inner potential and direct this powerful force to enhance your life. Understanding your energy begins with recognizing it clearly. Many traditions refer to it as prana, chi, ether, or simply vital force. Franz Barden, in his work Initiation into Hermetics, explains this energy as the bridge linking spirit, soul, and body. According to Barden, without control over this vital energy, one becomes vulnerable to external forces, lacking autonomy and stability. Think of your vital energy as a flowing river, natural, abundant, yet capable of being guided, redirected, and transformed. A life as Levi, a key figure in occultism, emphasizes that mastering this energy allows you to manifest thoughts into reality, desires into strength, and even transform your spiritual essence into pure enlightenment. The starting point for energy control lies in cultivating a profound awareness of your body, mind, and spirit. These three aspects must align to effectively manage and channel energy. Body awareness. Your physical body is your primary tool. Through practices such as mindful breathing and movement, you can enhance your sensitivity to the subtle sensations of energy moving within you. Mental discipline. Your thoughts direct energy. A disciplined mind, as taught by Franz Barden, serves as both the conductor and container for energy flow. Controlling your thoughts, intentions, and mental focus ensures that your energy remains concentrated and potent. Spiritual alignment. The spirit acts as the subtle anchor connecting your physical and mental realms, giving deeper meaning and direction to your energetic efforts. One powerful practice to start harnessing your vital energy is developing greater awareness of your body. Exercise 1. Body scan. Sit comfortably with a straight spine. Slowly direct your attention from your feet upwards, feeling each part of your body: legs, abdomen, chest, arms, neck, and head. Notice how your awareness brings life and warmth to each area. Do this daily for 5 to 10 minutes to deepen your connection with your body's energy. Next, build control through breathing. Exercise 2. Conscious breathing. Find a quiet place, sitting comfortably. Place one hand on your abdomen and the other on your chest. Breathe deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand naturally without moving your chest. Exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling tension leave your body. This breathing technique not only calms your mind, but activates and harmonizes your internal energy. Now let's actively feel energy flowing. Exercise 2. Energy in your hands. Hold your hands in front of you at chest level, palms facing each other. As you breathe deeply, visualize energy gathering between your hands. With each breath, imagine your hands becoming warmer and tingling with energy. Daily practice of this exercise increases your ability to perceive and direct vital energy consciously. Emotions deeply influence the quality and direction of your energy. Ancient traditions, such as Hermeticism and Qigong, teach that each emotional state directly affects the energetic system. Joy and gratitude elevate your vibration, harmonizing the body's energy flows. Negative emotions like anger or fear disrupt this flow, potentially causing physical or psychological ailments. Balancing your emotions, therefore, is crucial Cultivate positive emotional states to enhance energy control, facilitating clearer intentions and more effective manifestations. According to Aleister Crowley, energy itself holds no morality. It responds to your intentions and emotions. Whether energy builds or destroys depends solely on your purpose and emotional clarity. Your intention is the seed planted within the energetic field, and concentration is the force that nourishes and strengthens this seed. Clear, focused intention is necessary to manifest any outcome, whether it's physical healing, personal transformation, or spiritual advancement. Finally, let's put intention and concentration into practice through a simple yet powerful breathing exercise. Exercise 3, alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. Using your right hand, close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale deeply through your left nostril. Then close your left nostril with your ring finger and exhale through your right nostril. Continue this alternating breath, feeling how it balances your internal energies, calms your mind, and enhances your ability to focus. Practicing these techniques regularly sets you on a path of profound self-discovery and energetic mastery. Remember, controlling your energy isn't about suppressing it, but aligning and harmonizing it with your true nature. Start today. Awaken and channel the boundless energy within you and become the conscious creator of your own reality. Thanks for watching.